Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit, fine, taking good care of yourself. Okay, and you are staying at home. Okay, this is the most important thing we have to do nowadays because we all know that we are facing a very difficult situation, right? And this situation will be controlled if you will stay at home and we will look after yourself. You will be in safety, right? And we will obey our parents, right? Okay, so before starting today's topic, I would like to discuss yesterday's topic was push and the parrot. We have learned the chapter, we have experienced the chapter, we have explained the chapter, we have learned new words, okay, and we have learned some meanings also, right? So today what we will do, today we will solve the exercises of the chapter, okay, and we will try to solve it in a very easy method. And previously we have all done, we all know this is our revision class, right? And we are all doing revision. So without wasting time, let's start. We will revise the chapter once more so that you can be aware of that and no issues can be created. Okay, let's come and join the revision chapter. Let's start. So this is the chapter. We have done new words, whatever new words I have underlined from the chapter, we have done it, right? We have all done it, okay, and I'm very glad that you all have done it and given me back, and you have written correct spellings. Most of you have written correct spellings. I am very happy. So we have learned the chapter, revised the chapter, everything, right? So today what we will do, today we will do the question and answer, right? See, the first question is, color the bird you find in the story. Yes, we find parrot, right? You have to color the parrot. Take the right and cross out the wrong statement, isn't it? It is a rainy day. Yes. Push is not feeling hungry. No. Push eats the parrot. Wrong. The parrot jumps on Push. Wrong. Arrange the following sentences in order in your notebook. See, we have to arrange the sentences. See, I have already done for you because it is already in unarranged form. So the first one will be, Push is feeling hungry. He sees the parrot flies away. No. Push is feeling hungry. He sees the parrot. After that, he holds the parrot in his paws. After that, the parrot tells Push to wash his hands. Next, the parrot flies away. This was the sequence. Okay. We will do according to the sequence, right? Yes. Who is hungry? Push is hungry. Whom does Push want to eat? Push wants to eat the parrot. Where is the parrot sitting? The parrot is sitting on the tree. Who is more clever? Parrot is more clever. Who said the following sentences? Now I am going to eat you, Push. You must first wash your hands and face. Parrot. You stand here and see, Push. I am not going to wait for you to eat me up. Yes, parrot. Okay. So these are the chapters, question answers today we have done, okay, and I hope you have all understood it because it's a very easy chapter and we are doing it in the revision for fourth time, right? So whatever problem you will face in this chapter, whatever spellings problem, meanings problem, you can ask me anytime, anywhere in the class, okay, so that I can help you out and explain you properly where are you getting stuck, right? For that reason the classes are being there, okay. So we have completed this. So we will move to next chapter in our next class. Okay, before that we will try to learn these things what we have done. Okay, and once again see we can recollect the spellings which I have underlined, whatever new words. Okay, these are very important. You can get any spellings to write. Okay, so for that reason I have selected some hard spellings for you so that you can read it and write it properly. Okay, and you can also spell it. Many of the students have done in the class today. I was very happy. Okay, and I hope that I'll get this response every day in my classes. Okay, so do keep up the good work. Okay, whatever you are all doing, I'm very proud of you all. Okay, so these are the chapter we have done. Okay, and we have also done Pusha and the parrot, right? That means here the chapter is completed. Okay, and it's done. And if we want to do more things, like if we want to as hard spellings we have search, we can search, we can draw a picture of push parrot, anything you can do, right, relating to the chapter. Okay, as we have done many things. Okay, and I also hope you have all understood it. And if we want we can repeat again and again, but the thing is that we have done it 4 times, so after that we will do the new chapters. Okay, so that it will be revised. Okay, so I hope we have all understood it, right? And whatever spellings, whatever meanings I have done in the previous classes, or I'll be doing in revision classes, please follow that. Okay, and do thoroughly revise the question answers whatever done in the class. Okay, that will help you out in your upcoming exams, right? So keep in that touch, and I'll end my class, and I hope you people have understood whatever I have done in the class, and I hope you all be able to write on your own. Okay, but do one thing, students, please first try to write yourself. After all, I am there to help you out, your parents are there to help you out. Okay, so first you will write yourself. Okay, you are now grown up now, so first you will try how to write. Okay, so by this I'll end my class, and I hope you all stay fit, happy, healthy, and stay at home. Respect your parents, respect your teachers, do your assignments on time, and submit it also on time, and stay fit and stay healthy. Have a very nice day. God bless you all. Bye students, take care all of you.